Okay, so I'm going to set a springtail trap. Now, I've just cleared this bit of ground here in my garden, and I'm going to add some bits of wood to it. We'll see what happens in the morning. There it is. 6 bits of wood I've cut up and well watered, and let's see what happens with those. I'll paint them brown so it's easier for the camera to see anything we catch. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, back in my garden, and it's now morning, and we're going to have a look and see if my experiment has worked. I have to lean over here, that's why you're getting the sound effects. Let's have a look. And yes. Oh, quite a few on there. That'll rest. Oh, a hell of a lot on there. And some on here. Oh, not many on there. What about this bin? Yeah, quite a lot here. And if we look, there's quite a lot on the ground. So, looks like this actually works. So now I'm going to get a container ready and brush in my springtails. Alright, I'm back. I've got a container. I've streamlined these. I've now got all my springtails in these. And in the bigger ones I have isopods that are ready to rock and roll. And all I've got in here is clean rainwater, about halfway, a lump charcoal for the springtails to do the dirty on, and hopefully breathe like crazy. So let's brush them in. And here you get bonus footage of my tripod. Now, let's get my springtails on my bits of wood. I'm just taking a little, and there's not many on there, I'm going to leave them for next time. Let's grab all these guys though. Oh, there we go. Push them in here. Some more. There's quite a lot on this one. I should imagine if I do this every day. Now skip that one. Try not to get all the dirt in. Yeah, not so many on that. It seems earlier in the morning is the best time to do it, but I did get a fair few. You can see them. With a bit of luck, they'll breed. I'll have a fair few more. Well, I went back several times, about every 2 hours, and it seems like I could collect more. So this is what I ended up with. I ended up with about, what, 500-600 springtails. And here, as you see there, I've fed them with yeast, which is just baker's yeast. And now I can pop the lid on and collect some more tomorrow, I think. See how these go, and that's it. I've collected wild springtails, and hopefully they'll breed in here, and I'll have a free, never-ending supply of them. So give it a try and let me know how it works in the comments. And if this is any good to you, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.